In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Google Chrome shortcuts. If you've ever opened a new tab and felt distracted by the row of site icons, or you simply want a cleaner look, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to tidy things up without affecting your bookmarks or your browsing history. Start by opening a new tab in Google Chrome. You can do this by clicking the plus icon at the top of the browser, or by using a quick keyboard shortcut like Command+T on a Mac or Control+T on Windows. On the new tab page, you'll see a row of circular shortcuts. These are quick links to sites Chrome thinks you visit often or ones you've pinned. Move your mouse over the specific shortcut you want to remove. As you hover, a small three-dot icon will appear in the corner of that shortcut. If you don't see it right away, make sure your cursor is right on top of the icon for that site, not just near the row. The three-dot icon only shows up when you're directly hovering over a shortcut. Click those three dots to open the Edit Shortcut menu. This small panel is where you can change the shortcut's name if you want to keep it but make it clearer, or you can remove it entirely. Renaming is handy if you like the shortcut but want a cleaner label. Since we're focusing on removing it, look for the Remove button in this menu. Simply click Remove. The shortcut will disappear instantly. Chrome won't show that specific shortcut there again unless you add it back manually in the future, so you won't see it repopulate automatically. This helps you keep control over the sites that appear on your new tab page. If you want a completely clean look with no shortcuts at all, head to the bottom right corner of the new tab page and click the pencil icon. This opens Chrome's customization panel. Go to the Shortcuts section, then toggle them off. The entire row of shortcuts will hide, giving you a distraction-free new tab page. This change is reversible, so if you miss them later, just return to the same shortcut setting and turn them back on. Keep in mind that hiding shortcuts doesn't delete anything. It simply removes the visual row from the new tab view. That's all there is to it. Open a new tab, hover to reveal the three dots, remove the ones you don't want, and use the pencil icon to hide the whole row if you prefer a minimalist screen. Clean, quick, and totally in your control.